Bitcoin is officially attempting a breakout. We have a candle opening and closing, both above this horizontal structure resistance at 65,550 and from the descending resistance line of a descending wedge pattern. Both of these would be bullish, but there's one more resistance and a couple of signals that we need to watch out for before we can call this an official rejection or breakout. Let me show you the data so you can decide for yourself. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and in our membership, we are providing crucial cycle timing updates and Wednesday video analysis. Every Wednesday, we post a future forecast video, and you can check out our recent updates and trades here on this button. All of this and more is available with a membership at the links in the description down below. Getting started, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. The market cycle highs and lows already sits in caution. I think if this continues moving up through this week, we're going to see a move into mild caution. And as we approach resistance on the much larger descending resistance pattern to create an even larger descending wedge pattern than we had before, we got the small one and the much larger one. This could be a major point of resistance. I think if we hit mild caution and a red dot appears on the Pro Trade Manager, which historically calls local tops, as we can see back here, this is likely to be a major point of resistance and where we drop back to the downside. In fact, I'm going to reduce the length of this previous structure resistance, now support. I think this gives a better picture of how small this move up could actually be. With that in mind, if we do end up breaking to the upside and we see a candle open and close above this descending resistance, especially multiple, this is where a breakout could happen. But if we get a red dot and we see mild caution, I think a rejection is more likely. As the price drops, instead, I want to see fear and max fear to call the entire market cycle bottom, along with a green dot to call a local bottom. If this happens, historically, this is where we've seen an entire bear market bottom play out with a 716% move up from 2022, and in 2018, an over 2,000% bull market. These call the bottoms, and based on our current data, I just don't think we're there yet, and that's why I think a rejection seems to be more likely. We can actually move the horizontal resistance up here as well. And I want you to notice that we haven't yet created a higher high. We're very close, but technically this downtrend is still in play. Now we're going to keep everyone updated, but if you want to see these signals candle by candle, hour by hour, day by day, you're going to want to have them loaded up on your chart. And our members can access these indicators for a massive discount. If you're not a member yet, check out the links in the description down below. It's going to be 25% off your first month. That's less than $50 to get started, and you're getting access to our future forecast videos, recent updates, and more. Once you've signed up, head to the indicators tab. Pro Trade Manager is what you're looking for. Reveal your member coupon code here. Click it, write it down, check out on Gumroad. I want this. And you may have to go back to the previous page. Right here, market cycle highs and lows. Check out on Gumroad. I want this. Throw in your membership code. That's $150 off each for $300 off total. For less than $50 to get started on your membership, that is a steal. Fill in your information, click pay, and you are good to go. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for the new benefits. Don't miss out.